Actually, today's lesson is going to be represent to students, 7th grader students. But today, we are all here as a teacher. So I will try my best to represent it to you. I am so lucky to be here. Thank you so much to RET programs. And I am going to talk about water purification using different methods. And I will talk in the level of 7th graders. So sorry about that. Yeah. Every time when I am in my classroom, first I'm going to open the agenda of today. So I will make students to know what to do when they enter my classroom. So they are not going to ask me what to do today. It's agenda of today. If it is possible, I want you to read it and okay. I am teaching 7th graders, and according to Oklahoma standards, this is going to be the topic about pollution, ecosystem, interactions, energy, and dynamics. And I am going to be able to do this activity, which is related to our science lab experiment. And basically, I will be able to explain my students what I did and how can they try it in my classroom to do with an easy hands-on activity. First, of course, I will make them to understand what is the water pollution and why it is important for our health and ecosystem for other biotic and abiotic organisms. So I mean, not only biotic organisms are affected by pollution, even abiotic organisms are affected, because air pollution can affect even factories. So from the starting point till the end, with many different reasons, it will be affected like all organisms and abiotic factors together. And it is very important to clean water, because if the water is clean, it will affect our health. And so health benefits, clean water is essential for drinking, cooking, and all other things to do in our daily routine. And it is very important for environmental benefits, for ecosystem, for plants, even for plants, not only aquatic organisms. And economic benefits, it will affect industry, it will affect the economy, by the way. So today we are going to try to do an easy activity, and if you did understand why it is important to clean our water source, so we will try a method, a way to clean water easily in our classroom. At the end, of course, we are going to be able to learn more others. But now, basically, we have some different filtration methods, and I need some of you, maybe five volunteers will be enough for me. Please come and grab one of the filtration methods, which one you like, first come, first serve, and let's try to do it. Yeah, you can continue, you can grab, and please, like as a group, take all the 2 different beakers and the filtration. All of them, I think you will need. Our goal for today's activity, first, we will understand how different filtration methods work. Second, we will learn which filtration tools are most effective for different types of contaminants. And third, experience in filtering water and observing results Observing result is important because we will try to understand if it is really easy to understand which one is more clean visually, or you need to test it. We will see. The kinetic factor is also important in here, as you see. Some of the filtrations are working so fast. So that's going to be good, or all they have their cleaned water. So what do you think? Which one is the cleanest one? Just by visual.
Probably the far left is the cleanest. I'll argue the second one is the dirtiest.
Pan to check, like which one is the cleanest one. We can understand this electronic pan. So let's try. And here is the information. Oh. It says if it is clean, it will be under, like pure clean, under 40 ppm. Okay, so let's check and tell us, please. Which one is more clean?
So the clear one is reading 252 ppm.
Okay.
And then
close and open it again.
The one that is not as clear is reading 120 ppm.
Wow.
So
What is in there?
What is in there?
it is a kind of testing, water test pan. You can easily order it from the Amazon, and it's so cheap, and you can just test it, the water purification. And yes, guys, I just wanted to tell you, to understand the clean water, we cannot decide by just visual, like to tell which one is more clean. Actually, if you want to try, you can try yours, but thank you so much. Okay, guys, scientifically, we have many ways for the water purification. And the ones which I have did the research this summer with RET program. It was the absorption one. And we did use nanoporous materials. And actually, maybe you don't believe in that, but the most effective one is the active carbon. Because of the nanoporous structure, it can hold most of the chemicals like dyes, and it can clean the clean water, and it will be cheap if big factories works with that. If you want to learn more about my summer projects, you can just wait for Friday.